So today we're starting the final assembly of our 65 Chevelle project, and one of the things we wanted to look at was we restored all of the turn signal, housings and stuff. And before you put this stuff in the bumper, it's a good idea to check all the lights and make sure they work on a bench. And it's not just because of the bulb. This one, it's a dual filament, and they both work in here. But the reason why you want to check this now is we had this one in particular, that one of the pins inside the contactor here was missing. So this would not have worked if we just put it all together. And the problem with that is this is, inside the bumper, and if you don't have an engine or a lift in your shop, you're going to be crawling around trying to take this thing apart again and figure out what's going on. So it's real easy to do these when they're on the bench, and then save yourself some aggravation, right?
What's so easy, Kevin? How did you test it?
Well, the test is just take a battery box like this one, like a jump start box, and you connect one wire to positive, and that's power to the terminal there, and then the other one goes to a ground. You can see the positive terminal there. And the other goes to ground, and it grounds right to the housing, and it turns the light on. And this is the parking light, the low beam in there. And then if you switch this to the other position in the connector there, and then hit the ground, you get the high, the real bright one, and that's the
parking lamp, right?
That's the turn signal.
Oh.
See? High. So this didn't work. So we actually, and I don't know if I had an extra one of these fixtures, so you just cut the piece out, put the other one in, and solder it up and heat shrink it, and you're going down the road blinking.
I don't think you're supposed to go down the road blinking.
Well, when turning, you never go down the road blinking. I know that. Everybody else.
You're the one that got pulled over for not using your turn signal.
You got pulled over for everything else.